This is a super cute set of matching hat, earmuffs, scarf, gloves, and 2 pair of socks. I was sent a review from Geyoga. It does come vacuum packed, so make sure to open it up and just shake everything out and they're good to go. We've got the scarf, the hat, the gloves, 2 pair of socks, and fuzzy earmuffs. The gloves, hat, and scarf are very similar kind of knit material, thick and warm, a bit stretchy, really nice material. It does come vacuum packed, so you've got some wrinkles. You gotta either throw them in the washer and dryer or steam iron them. The gloves are a nice size. I'm 5'8" and I have pretty big hands, and these fit me great. They are stretchy and just gonna be kind of a universal fit. Really, really nice and warm and comfy. What's more, the gloves are actually touchscreen friendly, so you don't have to take them off to use your phone. The hat is a basic beanie. There's no pom-pom or liner. It's just a single layer, but really stretchy. You can wear it like this. It's long, so you can fold it up and give it a brim. I like that look. Cuter with your hair down, in my opinion. The earmuffs are a faux fur that does not feel faux. Like, it feels like really, really soft and silky bunny. Oh my gosh. And then it's soft here. That's not the fur that's gonna be on your ears. It's a much shorter pile. They twist, so they're very compact to throw in your bag. Untwist them to put them on. Oh my gosh. They're not adjustable, and you have that faux fur the whole way around for a nice look, and they just are the perfect fit. Just going over your ears, like they muffle a little bit, but they're not sound canceling or anything like that. So they're just gonna like, keep your little ears warm without messing up your hair. Amazing. So I guess you just choose, depending on your outfit and what you need, either the beanie or the earmuffs. The scarf is a nice length to wear like this, or this is the way I usually wear it. I do it like this and then feed it through there. This is my favorite way to wear a scarf. Boom, and then you can wear outside your coat, inside your coat, etc. Look at how warm and toasty and cute. Oh my gosh. It also comes with 2 pair of socks, which is kind of a dress sock material. It's not like a wool or anything super warm. They are nice and stretchy. There's no heel or anything. It's a very like a tubular design. They're actually surprisingly warm. I thought they were gonna be super thin, but they're not. They're like a super thick tights material. And look, honestly, really nice and not too tight. Cute socks. I have a size 9.5 and they fit me just fine because there's no built-in heel, so they're kind of like one size fits all, however long your foot is. I am really pleasantly surprised at how great the quality is. They are so warm, so cute. This set comes in a bunch of colors and even has a ponytail friendly style with a hole cut out of the beanie. I love this set. It's great for outdoors, ice skating, holiday shopping, you name it. Just so cute. I love it, and I know you will too.